Remember how I said the sniff mode was really cool? Well, here we go. If you have a transmitter not made by Prototech, and it also is not a frequency found by the LF2200, we can sniff it out. Turn on the transmitter and put it on the ground, right next to the foot of the line finder. Go to the custom sonde on the menu, then push the button to the right and hold it until you see the dots. Look, it has found the frequency of this sonde, 819 Hertz. It saves the frequency in this custom setting for future use. In addition to sondes, you can also locate transmitter boxes. This is a transmitter box that's not made by Prototech. Now we'll go to one of the custom line settings on the menu. Push the button to the right again and watch the dots while it sniffs. This transmitter frequency is 83 kilohertz, and again it is saved to the menu. We have just sniffed 2 new frequencies, and we still have space for more.